everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft Among Us character. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Minecraft Among Us, we're going to begin about right here on our paper. And I want to begin by making a rectangle shape. So starting right here, we want to make a line that goes down. I'm going to make a line that comes over. Another one that comes over here, and then a line that comes down like this. And this is going to be the little face shield. Starting here, we want to make a little line that goes down just at an angle. And right here, we're going to go up at an angle, just a little bit. And next, you want to connect them like that. Starting right here, we want to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come over. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes down. Then we want to come over with a straight line. And we're going to go up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes over. Then I want to come down and over like this for that other leg. Next, starting here, we're going to make this line come down. So I'm going to bring this over a little bit, and I'm going to go straight down like this. Now, starting at the corner here, we want to make a line that goes down at an angle. And then right here, I'm going to go up just a little bit at an angle. Next, we're going to connect both of these. Starting right here at this foot, I want to make a little line that goes up at an angle. And then we're going to go straight up like this. Now for the pack. I'm going to start right here. I want to make a line that goes down. And then one here that's going to go up just a little bit. Next, you just connect these with a straight line. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Minecraft Among Us skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.